You should never have to plead, beg, negotiate, barter, appeal for your dignity and humanity to be considered and prioritized during the act of intercourse. Okay? It's very concerning when I see a lot of comments under some of the videos that I do where I talk about the invisible contract of sex and the way women are socialized and conditioned to experience sex. When people are like, well, you just need to communicate more. Okay, look, in reality, there's only so much communication that can be done before the moment you find yourself alone with someone. This is a reality that is not taught to girls and women, especially girls who are coming of age, who are maybe exploring sexuality for the first time on their own terms. All right, this idea that you can vet a man or a boy before you're alone with him and therefore somehow predict how he might behave once he is aroused is false. Okay. And I know that this can seem, it's not comforting. It's not a satisfactory answer, but that is the truth. Okay. And you deserve for your body to be respected. You deserve for your dignity to be considered. There is no type of sexual activity that can occur, that should not include your humanity being respected. And as for these people in the comments saying, well, there are some women who actually enjoy and request rough sex, that's a different conversation. But if we do also think about that, even in the midst of that, your dignity and safety should be respected. That should be being considered, right? And if you find yourself in situations where your body is not being respected, you need to know you have the right to decide to withdraw. Do not reward bad behavior, unsafe, harmful behavior with your body. It doesn't matter who it is. If you're dating them, if you're married to them, it is unacceptable. You matter. Your humanity, your dignity matters. I can't really emphasize this enough. Okay, there is never any excuse for this, especially once it's been brought to that person's attention. And if they are resistant, sarcastic, if they are aggressive, if they're angry in response, that is letting you know about their character. We need to stop saying things like, well, it's because they're uneducated, they're not aware. Human beings do have an innate sense of right and wrong. And if someone is telling you that they love and care about you, or at the very least that they respect you, then they should be showing you that they respect your body and they respect you during intercourse. This is non-negotiable, and this is what young girls should be being taught. How to, in practical terms, see themselves and know that you do not have to self-abandon. Your body is not there to please somebody else. Nobody should ever be using your body to seek release at your expense. That's not how it works. Unless it is mutual, reciprocal. And actually, the litmus test should always be pleasure, your pleasure. If that is not happening, you do not need to be there.